Well, we're getting ready to go on an adventure on the lower Columbia, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, we got deeks. Oh yeah, we're gonna make a hella blind today. Got the old smoker craft. Got more deeks. And guess what? We got more deeks and more deeks. So yeah, we're gonna have some hella fun today. Ready to clap some birds, Jared?
What?
Ready to clap some birds?
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, hell yeah, brother. Let's get rolling. Shee-hee-hee. We're gonna get copyright struck, aren't we? Fuck yeah, bud. We're on our way to go clap some mulardos. Hell yeah, brother. Frick yeah, Bo, dude. We got fresh breakfast pizza straight out of the old mart, bro.
Chevron for the win, baby.
Hell yeah, brother. We got the old Nova right here, bro. And the Frankie back there. We're gonna go clap some ducks today. Ooh, what are you drinking right there?
Sponsored by the old Rockstar.
Oh, hell yeah, bro. Sponsored. Boat's over there. There's no way you can see that. This is the spread. Got a couple goosers. There's Phil and there's Sherry. Yeah, I got mallards, pintails, teal, widgeon. I got Hollywood over there. Oh yeah, there's Mr. Hollywood. Couple more mallards, some butts. This is half of it. Imagine that. Oh, another fat fucking spread. Literally gigantor. Like, we got that, right? And then we have this huge spread. Then we got the kill hole. Massive kill hole. And then,
You got some woodies?
oh yeah, I got Woody right there. I got Drake right there. More butts. I just kind of hucked them out here to one big blob. But here. There you go. Fatty spread. You guys can kind of see that. Oh yeah. I got about 30 minutes till shooting light. It's almost low tide, or just about low tide right now. So, yeah, hopefully we kill some birds. 2 minutes till shooting light. And we got a group straight in front of us that cannot call worth a darn. Yeah, hopefully. I clapped that one.
I got this first one right here. Oh, we got all of them. Every one of them. Don't shoot it.
Yes, shoot it. What? You said that was all him.
I think I got him, but I'll say you did. I sat down. I didn't even move. Oh, no way. No.
What just?
No way.
Shoot it.
That's a bird. What the hell?
Well, I got that on camera. Okay, midday update. We got a fat spread again, right?
Yeah, fat spread, couple birds.
Oh yeah, we got birds. Hell yeah.
Had a little mishap go down.
Yeah, and you want to explain that?
Well, just know, lesson learned, don't put your boat under a log at low tide.
Yes.
Because tide comes in. And little to say, we almost sank my boat.
Yeah, so there's a log way over there. And
Can't even see it now. The
yeah,
water came up so high.
it's damn underwater now. So we hit our boat right before shooting light, and it was underneath the log. Oh yeah, it'll hide great, right? Our dumbasses didn't think about the tide coming up.
Nope.
And yeah, so we all sunk the boat.
Got her out though. We're good.
Yep. Do some manhandling.
Do put a little bit more decoy line. As you can tell, we got a few.
Yeah, a few floating away, but they'll get stuck over there. Other than that, we're doing all right. We got a few birds for what we've done.
Yeah, because you could say we didn't hunt half the morning because trying to get the boat unstuck.
Yeah. So my
Flight.
Yeah, my GoPro died. We got the very first group of birds was like a group of like 5 widgeon or so. We killed 3 of them. One went over there to the group across and probably died on the bank over there, but we got 2 of them. And yeah, just you know, it ain't that cold, but we both are soaked, but it's not.
Yeah, I fell in this morning. That was rough, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
All the way over my waders.
Oh yeah. I mean, it could be worse.
Yeah, it could be worse.
It could be worse, but that's how it's going. So we're gonna try to take turns on singles on recording and shit. So hopefully we get some footage for you guys. You rather! Oh fuck me! Chill out, you fucker! I ain't trying to die.
That's just some good clean fun.
I got it on camera too.
Alright, well, end of the day with what, 5 birds?
Yeah, 5 birds.
Slow. Didn't hunt half the morning to get the old boat unstuck.
We're underneath a log.
Yeah, we got her stuck under a log. There was birds. Not a lot of them wanted to be where we were hunting, but there's birds. For hunting a cove, we shot the most out of 3 groups in one cove.
That is true.
Yeah, and there was a 3-man group in every single group that was out there. There's 3 people, so we were definitely battling the people, weekend warriors, you know.
Yeah, full Sunday. Well, Christmas warriors. It's Wednesday, Christmas Eve.
Christmas warriors.
Yeah, so yeah, I was kind of fucked. The tide kind of screwed me over. I didn't know it was gonna come up that high. Fuck tide systems, but you know, you live and you learn, and you fucking deal with it. But yeah, so thank God I didn't take my truck. My truck's 2-wheel drive, and I wouldn't even gotten to the spot. So yeah, this is the old Columbia, and she'll kick your ass. I'll tell you that much. Coming down.
Here down to our left.
I got that first one.